This isn't just a model. It's a piece of Star Wars history you can build. The Lego Star Wars Millennium Falcon in mid-scale captures the spirit of the most iconic ship in the galaxy, and putting it together is like reliving A New Hope scene by scene. From the cockpit and satellite dish to the front mandibles and quad cannons, the details are all there. Once it's built, you mount it on a tilted display stand that makes it look like it's soaring through space, ready to outrun a Star Destroyer. It's a compact build, but it feels big in presence. Everything comes together smoothly, and the finished model just looks right from every angle. Sharp, sleek, unmistakably the Falcon. If you are a fan of Star Wars ships and you want a model that balances nostalgia, detail, and clean design, this is one of the best ones to display.